Getting your money where it needs to go is easy until you can't log in, but today we're walking you through how to access your Worldremit account. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser or the Worldremit app on your phone if you're using a browser. Navigate to Worldremit.com on the home page. You'll typically see a Sign In button. Look for it near the top right corner of the screen and click it. This will take you to the Sign In page here. You'll need to enter the email address associated with your Worldremit account in the email field, then enter your password in the password field. Pay close attention to capitalization and ensure you're typing it correctly. Once you've entered both your email and password, click the Sign In button. If your credentials match, you'll be logged into your account and ready to send or manage money transfers. Now, what if you forget your password? Don't worry, it happens. On the Sign In page, you'll find a Forgot Password link, usually located beneath the password field or associated with the Sign In button. Click on that link, and you'll be prompted to enter the email address linked to your account. Afterwards, Worldremit will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the steps in the email, create a strong password, and sign back in using your new credentials. For enhanced security, Worldremit may also offer two-factor authentication 2FA. This means that after entering your password, you might be asked to enter a code sent to your phone via SMS or generated by an authenticator app like Google Authenticator before accessing your account if prompted. Enter the code and continue to access your account. Making sure you have access to the phone associated with your account is important. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to go. Always remember to keep your login details secure. If you encounter any persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact Worldremit customer support for assistance. Happy transferring.